Hey there, this video is to demonstrate very quickly the progress bars and rings that are available within Notion databases. They're an option to show visually your numbers and formulas within the Notion databases without having to use any fancy formulas. And they just give, yeah, a nice visual of numbers and percentages and progress and just general numbers. So I'll just go to the end and add a new property here. I'm just going to add a basic number property to start with. And so we can choose any, oops, yeah, we want the number property, but we can choose any number format that we like. So this is the progress bars and rings are commonly used for percentages to show progress, for example, as the name suggests, but you can use any number format that Notion offers, but we'll stick with percentages for now. And then you can see here our options are to show a number, just a number, to show a bar, or to show a ring. Let's just choose the number for now, and I have the percentage as my format. So if you just manually enter in the numbers, obviously they're entered in here with the percentage symbol. So now we will edit to show bars. So if I click bar, you can see the bars were entered here, and it's showing the progress visually in a bar format. And then the ring is just doing the same, but as a little circle. And the other options we have here are to change the color of the bars or rings. And obviously we have the options that Notion provides us with here. And you can toggle on and off the numbers. So if you don't want these numerical percentages showing here, you just want the bar or you just want the ring, just toggle that off and that's all you will see. So that makes it super, super simple to show your numbers in a visual manner. So I'm just going to scroll back left. I'm just using my habit tracker database here to demonstrate this. So you can see I already have a progress bar column in here. So this one is based on a formula. So you don't, as you just saw, you don't need a formula. This doesn't have to be based on a formula. But if you have formulas, you can also turn them into progress bars and rings. So this one in particular is just adding up or counting. Just scroll a little bit over here. There we go. It's counting the total number of checked boxes from habit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's what this formula is doing. And then it's dividing by 6 because there are 6 properties, and then dividing by 100 to make it a percentage. And then I have 2 number here, you'll see in front of each of the properties, only because they're check boxes. And I want to tell Notion, like, consider this thing a number, consider this property a number, even though it's not technically a number. So that is why that's there. But if you have properties that just have basic numbers in them, whether they're manually entered as a number property or they're formulas, you can do the same formula here and then edit it to be a progress bar or ring. All you do is go to the edit property and you have all the same options here. And again, you can change the number format. So if I wanted this to be like euros, you could just choose euros and it's going to show you the euro symbol. So this isn't just for percentages. So I hope that was a helpful overview of the bars and rings options.